Hello and welcome back to another lesson of Microsoft Office Word. In this lesson we're going to study about Smart Art. These two options are added in the updated version of Microsoft Office Word, and these are online. If you're connected to internet, you may go and check them. They're cool. So the next option is a Smart Art. What does a Smart Art do? There are bunch of things, good things actually, that this Smart Art can do. As an example, if you have a list, you can add list, process, if there's a cycle or anything, a bunch of shapes and designs that make your document more beautiful and more attractive. So I'm going to use this, I think, or this maybe. Yeah, this one looks cool. Yeah, as you can see, the Smart Art is added. I can change the text, like this is my picture, like this. This is someone else picture, and you can add anything. And also you can change the text from here too. In this option you can add pictures too. As an example, if I want to add a picture, I'll come here, I'll use, as you can see, it looks good in here. You can add your pictures or your products or anything you want. In here I can add shapes after and before my Smart Art. So this is where you can add shape and above if you have shapes. And the last option is adding assistant. When you only use the option which they required, which is organization chart, we're gonna study that in the next lesson. This is a text pan. This text pan, if you want to have your text pan, you can click here and add pictures from here, or you can write anything. The next option is about demote and promote. What does demote do? See, when I click demote, it goes to the first column actually, like this, or if you want to promote it, it will be in another column. This is where you can change your shapes or Smart Arts from one place to another place. Like I want this to be in right to left or left to right. This is where you can move it up or move it down. So there are another shapes and kind of shapes where you can use them. In here you can change the color, and in here you can change the theme, the quality, or like how they look. And this option reset all of your edited things. When I click here, it will be simple. So this one looks good. The next option is about format. We have studied these formats in the previous lesson, in the picture and the shape lessons. So you can go and check it out also, or you can hang out with these options and make your chart or Smart Art more beautiful. In here you can change the shape of your Smart Art like this, or anything you want. Yeah. The next option is about making it large and small. These are the options that we have studied in the previous lesson. So guys, this was another lesson from Microsoft Office Word. It was Smart Art. In the next lesson we're going to study chart, and we will study chart in Microsoft Excel too. I wish you enjoyed this lesson. Bye bye.